Another day, another story. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the beginners out there who are eager to build muscle and transform their bodies. In this video, we'll be sharing some essential muscle building tips that will kickstart your journey to a stronger, fitter you. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Start with a solid foundation. Before you hit the gym, make sure to focus on your nutrition and get enough rest. Your muscles need fuel to grow, so prioritize a well-balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Adequate sleep and recovery time are also crucial for muscle growth, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Tip number 2. Master the basics. When starting out, it's important to focus on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses are fantastic for building overall strength and muscle mass. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from a qualified trainer to ensure you're using proper form and technique. Tip number 3. Progressive overload is key. To keep making progress, you need to challenge your muscles by gradually increasing the weight or intensity of your workouts over time. Aim to progressively lift heavier weights, perform more repetitions, or decrease your rest periods. This progressive overload stimulates muscle growth and prevents plateauing. Tip number 4. Track your progress. Keeping a workout journal or using a fitness app can be incredibly helpful in tracking your exercises, sets, reps, and weights. It allows you to monitor your progress, identify areas of improvement, and stay motivated as you see your strength and muscle gains steadily increase. Tip number 5. Fuel your body right. We mentioned nutrition earlier, but it's worth emphasizing. To maximize muscle growth, make sure to consume enough protein to repair and build new muscle tissue. Aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Additionally, hydrate properly and include a good mix of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet for essential vitamins and minerals. Tip number 6. Prioritize recovery. Building muscle isn't just about intense workouts. It's also about giving your body enough time to recover. Incorporate rest days into your routine, and consider activities like foam rolling, stretching, and yoga to enhance flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself. And there you have it, 6 essential muscle building tips for beginners. Incorporate these strategies into your fitness journey, stay consistent, and watch your body transform over time. Remember, it's not just about the end result. Enjoy the process and celebrate every milestone along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and inspiration. Until next time, stay strong and keep working towards your goals. See you soon!